So the two batsmen are out there in the middle. Seems like Drona. Jinil will be facing. That's cut away in the gap, and that's going away to the boundary. This time again goes towards the offside. Square driven, that's 4. Oh, this has been ramped away and over the fielder. Tried his best as Jindal comes down this time, and this time he's been caught behind a little bit. Tries the reverse, finds the gap and gets the boundary. That's again opening the face of the blade, and that's racing away as well. Comes down the track, hits it over the fielder, bouncing away. So that's been slog swept. That's gone away. Comes down the track, hits it over, and put down, put down. You can't. And this is in the air once again. No, this time it's been done. This time. Driven away nicely towards the offside. The fielder is towards it. Oh, he puts that in. The momentum carried that into the boundary. That's been again late cutted in the gap. It's running away towards the boundary, and it's 4 runs. So these two will try to. Oh, slog swept once again into the boundary. That has gone fine, and that's gone away for 4 runs.
ये लगा चौका। इस चौके के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ फाइल्स।
Cut away. Well, there's no one stopping that. Again a boundary. Short and wide and put away.
ये लगा चौका। इस चौके के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ फाइल्स।
So jab shooters are continuing very nicely. 73 already. Deepak on 16 and Drona on 22. The Bugan 360 needs to break this partnership. Cut away. Well, there's no one stopping that. Again a boundary. Short and wide and put away.
ये लगा चौका। इस चौके के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ फाइल्स।
So jab shooters are continuing very nicely. 73 already. Deepak on 16 and Drona on 22. The Bugan 360 needs to break this partnership. Oh, this time he's been beaten, and that's the wicket he was looking. Oh, this time he's been beaten, and that's the wicket he was looking for. Looks to sweep. That's gone fine towards the boundary, and that's gone. Oh, this is Upish. And towards. Oh, that's well too out. Sits and plays that shot. This time he'll find. Again, this is up and over. And that's gone all the way. 6 runs. This time. Lovely shot. That is picked away beautifully. That's been again picked away. And oh, that's in the air and away from the fielder. Just between. Once again he goes. And this time very well controlled the. In the air. Will this be taken? The fielder. And this time also it has gone away. That's been beautifully played. That's in the air and it will travel all the way, a long, long way. 6 runs. Again comes down the track, plays the pickup, and between the fielder, there are 3 fielders. Comes down the track, Avnish has a job to do, and he also can't stop. This time struck away. It's in the air. Will this be caught? The fielder settling. Oh, he juggles and then takes it. Oh, straight up. Straight up, straight up. Yes, that's well taken this time. Oh, again trying the slower. And a wicket, one more. Well. And straight. Can single taker looking for 2. They have run and will be given as out. 1 shot. In the air. And 1 more wicket. They are bundling down. They are tumbling. Cuts away. And that will go away for the innings as well. That's been pulled. And 1 more. And he's been bowled round the legs. Oh, that's well struck. Well struck. Oh, he's kept it in. That's been pulled away and that's gone all the way. 6 runs.
ये लगा छक्का। इस छक्के के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ फाइल्स।
"13. Seshav begins his innings with that 6. Drives it away. Nicely driven. What a shot. It's going away towards the cover boundary. Lovely. Drives it away. Nicely driven. What a shot. It's going away towards the cover boundary. Lovely cover drive. Didn't stop. This is in the air, and this will travel the distance. It hung up. Again. What a shot. Well struck. In the gap. A fumble there, and that will go away. Flicked away nicely off the wrists. That's running away towards the boundary. Sweet timing. Oh, this is over the fielder. He tried his best, jumped, but still he couldn't reach the ball. That was close.
ये
but,
लगा
full marks for the
चौका।
effort.
इस
there.
चौके के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ फाइल्स।
That's been played away. That's cleared. That's 4.
ये लगा चौका। इस चौके के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ।
Again whipped away. What a shot. Just the flick of the wrist. So that's in the air. Oh, it's been, well, just fall in the no man's land area. Has been not been taken. This time it's up in the air, and this time that's been slog swept with power, and no one is going. That's again picked away in his favorite area, and it's a 6. That's nicely played. That's gone quickly to the boundary. This has been slog swept, and that has gone for a 6. I don't know if there was a fingertip of the fielder.
ये लगा छक्का। इस छक्के के स्पॉन्सर हैं श्री ऋषभ फाइल्स।
That's been driven away, and that's gone away for. That's been cut away. Nicely opening the face of the blade. This time flighted and played away towards the offside, and there's no one there. Picked away this time. Fielder is there. Oh, he couldn't stop it. 4 runs. This time it's an edge, and it's the wicket, which that's in the air, and 2 wickets in an over. Well, this time it's short, and it's been dispatched away. 6 runs. appeal there. And one more wicket. What a delivery. Well bowled, quick it was, and it's gone away. Fine. It's running away towards the boundary, and it will be a... That's been picked away. That was a poor delivery, and in the air, and this is a simple catch, a very crucial wicket. It's nicely played. That has gone. That has gone. Very, very crucial. Again goes up, and this time, oh, this is the wicket they were looking for, and they've got it. Jinith was set, and this time was looking to go. That's in the air once again. Well, Sunny has turned the game. That's in the air once again. And it's gone. Well. Oh, this is what a comeback. Oh, that's beautiful bowling. Oh, he's hit that in the air. Will this be the end? And this is got very well done. The Japsters. What a match we have had. From nowhere they have come back and won this match. From nowhere they have come back and won this match. Splendid performance. Nowhere they have come back and won this match. Splendid performance. Have come back and won this match. Splendid performance from the Jap. Back and won this match. Splendid performance from the Jap shooters. Won this match. Splendid performance from the Jap shooters. Match. Splendid performance from the Jap shooters. Performance from the Jap shooters.
पकड़ा जग 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 जगड़ा